Hello YouTubers, I am going to make two things, rapid fire dispenser and vending machine. Very simple. Let's see, alright, so that's a dispenser. As you can see. Okay, anyways, say hello to my friend Michael. Go on, say hello. Okay, I guess that's his greeting. Anyways, let's go make it. All you need is, let's look in this chest, some stone or whatever blocks you want to make. 7 redstone, 5 redstone torches, a lever or a button, whatever. Dispenser. Actually, I just included the lever. Anyways, a dispenser. So I will add these things. Let me just trade these slime balls. Anyways, and another rack. Oh yeah, I forgot. I know how to make this shit. Anyways, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, let's get it on. As you can see, I have unlimited stone, so I won't be needing anything else. Ah, stupid fly. Anyways, let's go make this dispenser easy, so easy. First of all, place down your lever. Yay. Boop. No, not that. I mean, like, sideways, like this, front, boop. Okay. Anyways, oh, that's too close to that. Anyways, let me do. Okay. And where's my redstone? Let me make it go back to this thing. Okay, I know how to make it now. Let's see. Go back to here. Okay, do like that. And go like there. Okay, so then it goes like that. Okay. And then you put 2 blocks high across this. Then put 2 of them right there. Then you get your redstones out. Put them right there, there, and there, and one right there. So that it will be blinking like that. Anyways, okay, so I will put one up right there. Get my dispenser. Go right there. Ah, ready? Turn it on! Michael, turn it on. See? And no, it works, just like that. Easy. Turn it off. See? No. Anyway, so that's how you make a dispenser, a rapid fire dispenser. And now I will be showing you how to make a vending machine. This is like the easiest one. No, it's not the easiest one. Hold on, let me do something real quick. It's my battery low thingy. Okay. Anyways, let me just find this. Mine all these stuff. Mine. You can get that. Anyways, here, grab all this stuff. Oh, you can't. No. Okay, so now for this, you'll need just one. Anyways, I don't know. You don't really need a sign. You can just have a sign. I don't really give a freak. Anyways, you need 1 bucket of water, not lava, but water. Let me go get my water. No, that's not an ultimate water supply. No. Where is it? Oh, yeah, I forgot. Oh, now I gotta travel all the way down there. Why? Anyways, let's see. Ouch. Give me some water. Anyways. Die! Okay. Now, let's come up here. And since I have my bucket of water, let's see, what do I need? I do need a dispenser for this. Everything needs a dispenser! Anyways, let's see. And you only need 2 redstones for this. So, and a whole bunch of whatever kind of blocks you want. And now, you know, just to cover it up. No, I am not letting this kid join my game. Anyways, so, now all you gotta do is now, okay, where should I start? I should start all the way down right here. This is clear land. Alright, so, pick 2 of them. Where's my buttons? My button, oh crap. Crap! I don't care. Anyways, put the button, oh, anyways, let's see. Thank you. Anyways, let me get my stone out. I don't have unlimited anymore. Anyways, where's the redstone? Get the redstone, just put it right there. And my dispenser, right there. No. Sorry, folks, I accidentally put my dispenser in the wrong. Look at this. It looks like a frog. Come here, little froggy. Anyways, let's mine this. Mine it. Okay. Now place it down, and now all you got. See. Put it again, please. Yeah, see. Nothing's in it anyways. I don't care. Now, all you gotta do is go like this. Like that. No! These stupid little kids join. Even though I'm a little kid. Anyways. Let me do that. And pour my... Where's the bucket of water? My bucket of water, a water bucket. And it goes like that. All you need to do is, let's say, a dirt block. No. Okay, push the button. And it shoots it out, and the water flows, and it will work right there. Let me take that. Sadly, I have a dirt block. Anyways, let me just mine this. Mine in my shit. Anyways, that's how you make a rapid fire dispenser and a vending machine. See you next time. My name is Youngins. Peace out, YouTubers.